I am about to change your entire financial life. Imagine two people walk into a car dealership. This person drives off in a brand new SUV with an insane 3% interest rate. This other person gets rejected in front of their family. The only difference between them is a 120-point gap on their credit score. What if I told you that in just 30 days we could crush that gap and save you thousands on your next loan? Even if you think your credit is completely hopeless. For the next few minutes, I am giving you the secret playbook that insiders use to explode that number. This isn't just about getting a loan. It's about unlocking a level of financial freedom you've never seen before. By the end of this video, you're getting 5 insane hacks you can start literally today. These aren't some boring long-term ideas. These are strategies that get you results faster than a pizza delivery. I'm talking about FICO score jumps you can see in weeks, not years. We are going to turn your credit score from a weakness into your financial superpower, and we are doing it right now. Look, I'm not some guy in a suit. I'm the guy who is obsessed with figuring out how this system works for you. I've seen these exact tactics work miracles for everyone, from a barista trying to get an apartment, to a nurse with crazy student debt, even a guy who sells fireworks out of a tent. The system is the same for everyone, which means the results can be too. These aren't secrets, they're just the rules of the game, and I've spent all the time mastering them so you don't have to. Let's talk about some crazy numbers. A 100-point jump in your credit score can save you $60,000 over the life of a mortgage. $60,000. That is a free Tesla in your driveway. That's college for your kid, completely paid for. Credit is just a game, and today I'm handing you the rule book. The second you understand how to play, you start winning. Big. It affects everything: your insurance, your apartment, even getting a job. Your credit score is your financial report card, and we're about to get you a perfect A+. This is hack 1, and it is so easy. 30% of your entire score comes down to one thing: how much of your credit limit you're using. It's called your utilization ratio. To win, you need to get this number under 10%. But here's the cheat code: pay your credit card bill before your statement closes. Banks only report your balance once a month. So if you pay your bill 5 days early, the bank tells the credit bureaus you have a 0 balance and your score goes to the moon. Don't have the cash to pay it all down? I got you. Here's another cheat. Call your bank and ask for a credit limit increase. It costs you nothing. A $500 increase can instantly drop your utilization. If you have a $300 balance on a $1,000 limit, that's 30% utilization. But if they give you a $500 limit, that same $300 balance is now only 20%. That's a huge win that can happen in less than a week. We're not spending more, we're just creating more room for your score to grow. Are you ready for a hack that seems fake but is 100% real and free? It's called Experian Boost. This tool lets you get credit points for paying for your utility bills, your cell phone, and even your Netflix subscription. Think about it. You are already paying for this stuff every single month. Experian Boost just gives you points for it. The average person gets an instant 13-point jump. 13 free points. It takes 3 minutes to set up, it's completely secure, and it doesn't hurt your credit. It's literally free points for things you already do. Pro tip: if you pay the internet bill for your roommates and they just Venmo you, you get all the credit. It's a simple switch that can give you an insane advantage. Don't leave these free points on the table. This is a huge one, so listen up. Did you know that 1 in 5 credit reports has a mistake on it? That means 20% of you watching right now have something destroying your score that shouldn't even be there. We're talking about wrong balances, late payments that were actually on time, or even accounts that aren't yours. Your mission starts now. Go to annualcreditreport.com and pull all 3 of your credit reports for free. Then you are going to be a detective. Search for every late collection or medical debt. If a date is wrong, if a balance looks weird, or if you know you paid something, you can dispute it. File the dispute online, keep it short, and attach your proof. The bureaus have 30 days to prove it's real, or they have to delete it. We saw a single deleted medical bill boost someone's score by 42 points in 14 days. Imagine what nuking a huge error could do. This is one of the fastest ways to get an amazing credit history, especially if you're just starting out. Do you have a parent or a grandparent with a credit card that's been open forever? A card they've always paid on time? Ask them to add you as an authorized user. This is the craziest part. You don't even need the physical card. Their perfect payment history and high credit limit get copied and pasted onto your credit report. It is literally like inheriting decades of good credit overnight. The only rules are they have to keep being responsible, and you have to trust them. Our clients see an average boost of 28 points from this hack, sometimes in a single month. It's a massive shortcut to a better score. Okay, this is the final boss of credit hacks. If you are about to buy a car or a house, your loan officer has a secret weapon, the rapid rescore. Let's say you just paid off a huge bill, but it hasn't shown up on your credit report yet. Instead of waiting for weeks, your lender can force an update. Here's how it works. You show them proof that you paid something off. The lender then sends that proof to the credit bureaus and demands they update your file. In 5 business days, sometimes less, your score is updated. It can cost around $35, but we watched a couple go from a 6 on 39 to a 702 in 1 week using this. That jump saved them $300 every single month on their mortgage. That's life-changing money. I just gave you 5 insane hacks. I challenge you to pick just one of these and do it this week. Seriously, just one. When your score goes up, and it will go up, come back to this video and comment "Boost," and I will reply with the next secret trick that nobody else will tell you. Let's see how high we can get your scores. These quick wins are incredible, but true power comes from building a credit fortress that can never be knocked down. First, set every single bill to autopay. I mean everything. Payment history is 35% of your score, and one late payment can destroy your score for 7 years. Don't risk it. Automate it. Next, never close your old credit cards. The age of your credit history is 15% of your score. An old card is proof that you're reliable. Closing it can actually hurt you. If you don't want to use it, just cut up the card but leave the account open. Also, be smart about new credit. Don't just apply for 10 cards at once. Space out your applications by at least 6 months to let your score recover. And finally, watch your credit like your life depends on it. Use free services from your bank or apps like Credit Karma to monitor it. Catching errors or theft early is your best weapon. We didn't just come here for a quick sprint. We came here to win the whole marathon. Now that you have all these hacks, let's not ruin it. These are the landmines that will blow up all your progress. First, missing payments. We just talked about it. Don't do it. Ever. It's like taking 10 steps backward. Second, don't close old credit accounts. We already went over this. Closing an old card with a 0 balance can make your utilization on other cards look way worse overnight. Third, maxing out your cards. This is a terrible idea even if you pay it off. High balances on the report date will destroy your utilization score. Keep it low! Fourth, credit repair scams. If anyone promises to delete everything negative for a huge fee, run. Everything we've talked about here is legal, effective, and mostly free. Finally, ignoring your credit report. This is the worst mistake you can possibly make. You wouldn't drive a car with your eyes closed, so don't manage your finances that way. Staying informed is how you stay in control. Let's recap because this is easy. Pay your cards before the statement date to crush your utilization. Use Experian Boost to get free points for paying your cell phone bill. Nuke every error you find on your credit report. Ride your family's perfect credit history as an authorized user. And use a rapid rescore when you need a fast boost for a big loan. If you do all 5 of these things, a 50 to 100 point jump in 30 days isn't just possible, it's going to happen. If you never want to see a boring PowerPoint about money ever again, smash that subscribe button. This is the only channel that makes fixing your credit a challenge. We're talking weekly wins that actually put more money in your pocket. I drop new insane hacks every single Tuesday. No fluff, no filler. Join the team and let's win this credit game together. Your credit score is not permanent. It's a whiteboard. You can erase it and write a new number on it whenever you want. So stop scrolling, stop procrastinating, and go fix your credit. Go drive off in that car, go buy that dream house, and go get the financial peace of mind you deserve. See you in the next video.